Hello, and thank you for joining me on the Average EV Educational Series. Today we're going to be talking about DC fast charging. Alright, so you just bought an electric car, you arrive at a DC fast charger at one of the public charging networks, and what do you do now? Well, first thing you should do is set up the app. In the app, you can set up your payment information and all your account information, and then when you get to the station, you don't have to worry about that. There are four major charging networks / apps that I would recommend signing up for. First, Electrify America, EVgo, ChargePoint, and lastly Shell Recharge. These are the most prominent that you'll find everywhere, and it's going to make your life a breeze when charging on the go. There are two prominent non-Tesla charging plugs. The first is the CCS. It looks like this, and this is used on most EVs on the market that aren't Tesla. The other charge plug you could have is a CHAdeMO. This is found on the Nissan Leaf, and it is actually being phased out, but Nissan Leafs are still being produced using the CHAdeMO plug. Prior to charging, be sure to set your charge limit to your desired state of charge. 80% is recommended by most manufacturers. Prior to arriving at the charging station, be sure to check the app or PlugShare to make sure that the station is working properly. So when you arrive at a charger, you should follow the directions. Usually it asks you to plug in first and then activate from the app, or you can pay at the station using a credit card or any other form of contactless payment. Once you're all squared away, it will start to initialize and finally begin to charge. As you're charging up, be sure to use the local amenities or maybe catch up on some of your favorite YouTube content. When your charge completes, you will be prompted by the dispenser to unplug your vehicle. Be sure to do this as soon as possible, as idle fees may be incurred. Once you have ended your charge, you will unplug the charger cable from your car and put it back in the dispenser. If you have trouble getting the charger cable out of your car, usually if you hit the unlock button on your key fob, that'll do the job. Alright everybody, so that's it. Public charging on DC fast chargers is super easy as long as the stations are working. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.